polarity. In fact, no, I think this was reverse polarity. I think that's why it didn't work. I think it's diodes. Right. It should do something now. I've wired it well. It's incorrect with the whatever way you say it because it's just on too much. Covering my ears. That's the sound the other one made. Yeah, that sounds like it's dying. Press the button. What? Oh, yeah, it's gone into lamp mode. Has that just killed the... I've just killed the LED. They all go off in a different manner. I think it's because I'm doing it a different way, I don't know. Oh. Yeah. That's the shit. That's exactly the same smell as it makes when I overload all my Xboxes, my PlayStation boards, all that. Oh my god, that's so bad. That was worse than the last one. I think that's because the LED also fried, so it added to the smell, basically. There is nothing on fire. That's just the smell it makes when you overload it. It doesn't. They never really like. And it's on. Turn it off. Sort it out, yeah. Then plug it in. Right, I'm expecting something out of this one now. I've actually got the polarity right. Or wrong. I don't know how. Again, it's always wrong because it's on too much power. Covering my ears. This one's definitely dead. I pressed the button. Oh. Oh, there you go. It's gone into lamp mode. Perfect. Now I've got 2. And it's going to make a nice aroma. So this one won't be smelling as much as the other one. This one will be a bit less. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah, very low key. Very low smell. Do you know what this reminds me of? I had I used to have a red light that my nan gave me, and it was like the size of a smoke alarm. Oh, snorkel alarm. I'm going to connect 2 because I want 2 red lights. This whole thing again is basically melted into a resistor. Oh look, it just died very slowly. So, is this still? Yeah, this is the original. It smells so nice. I always love the smell of like burning chipboard. Yeah, it's silicone. It's silicone. Not silicone. That's rubber. It's silicone. It's the stone silicone. Dumb thing by putting a wire in my mouth, but whatever. It's because it's unplugged. So this charger converts 240 volts down to 20, basically. Right, I want 2 lights now. Put them both up the right way. Make sure the other wires ain't touching. Let's see if we get 2 lights. Ha 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 ha. No, you got 2. Oh no! It overloaded! It killed the other LED. I've got 1 left now. Why? Oh, and it's starting to smell bad like the other one yet. Oh. Oh, look what I can do. One's acting like a ground for the spark. Can you hear that? The LED goes off every single time the bare wire's got to go back. Every single time. So out of 3 alarms that we've been constantly abusing, this one's lasted the longest in terms of the fact that the light's still... Oh, Jesus Christ. In terms of the fact that the light is still on. And it's part of the alarm, so... That one wins. So these other 2 are going to get smashed. Outside, obviously. It's a 20-minute video, Jesus.